can delve and change my career profession from training into digital marketing. Hello, this is Shayak. I am located in Kolkata, and the reason why I chose digital marketing is because this is one of the most promising careers for any professional, be it someone who is a starter who's already been there in this business, or you want to make it as a career choice. And the reason I chose Digital Vidya is because their training, pedagogy, their staff, and as well as the help and the training materials that I've got so far in my training have been exceptionally good. And I'm absolutely very satisfied with the overall journey and with the overall experience that I've had so far with Digital Vidya. And I would recommend Digital Vidya to anyone and everyone who is either planning to start a career in digital marketing or who wants to enhance their skills. So prior to coming to digital marketing, I was actually working as a trainer. I was an IELTS and English trainer. I've taken a sabbatical, especially to learn the digital marketing so that I can delve and change my career profession from training into digital marketing. I absolutely feel confident that after completing my program and the necessary, uh, what do you say, internships, I will be very confident in picking up projects, be it with an online or an offline client. And the best part is that they actually accustom you and you go through different pillars of digital marketing and they get you certified in it. For example, SEO, SEM, inbound marketing, email marketing, and so on. And the trainers that they have are highly trained and highly qualified trainers. And that's the best part that you get. There's a lot of personal interaction, and there is no need to feel any fear because if anytime when you have any kind of an issue, you can always free feel to ask them. So I recommend anyone and everybody you can join Digital Vidya for your success in digital marketing. Thank you.